How to set stop loss in OANDA. First of all, log into your account at trade.oanda.com and open the trading platform. Once you are inside, go to the trading section and choose the instrument you want to trade, such as a Forex pair, commodity, or index. After selecting your trade, click on the buy or sell option and the trade order window will appear. In this window, you will see the option to set your stop loss before confirming the trade. Enter the stop loss level where you want to limit your risks. You can set it by typing in the exact price level or by adjusting the number of pips away from your entry point. Once you have set the stop loss, confirm your order and your trade will be protected with an automatic exit if the market moves against you. This way, you can manage your risks effectively and trade with more confidence. Now you know how to set a stop loss in OANDA. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tutorials.